back to my YouTube. So today what I'm going to be doing is teaching you guys how to make a grilled cheese. Now it's not just any grilled cheese. This is the way my grandma makes it, and basically you won't be burning any more of your grilled cheese if you try my way. So no further ado, here we go. What we're going to use is this honey wheat bread today. You can use any bread you want. I'm using honey roasted turkey breast, and I'm also using sharp cheddar and Swiss cheese because anyone who knows me will tell you that I love my cheese. So here we go. I have one side already done. I always use Hellmann's. That's the best mayo you can get in my opinion, and it doesn't stink. So just gonna spread the mayo on there. You just want to spread it really thin. Don't need a lot. Remember, this is the outside of your sandwich, and you just need any skillet, doesn't matter. You want to turn your fire on low, pop it in there, mayonnaise side down to the pan, and then you're gonna grab your cheese. So I put one slice of cheese on, kind of melted, sorry guys. So I put one slice of cheese on this side of my bread, grab my meat, and pop it in the middle. The other side of your bread with the mayo facing up. Remember, this is the outside of your sandwich. So the purpose of doing this is so that you don't burn your bread. A lot of people use butter, and that's actually what I used to do till I saw my grandmother making sandwiches in a pan and on our panini maker. Notice she does it different, and it just gives you that toasty golden result every single time. Never fails. So you want to cook each side for maybe 2 minutes, maybe. Depends on what your fire is up to, honestly. You just have to monitor it very closely. So both sides are toasted. So you have one side, you have the other. As you can see, both sides are golden brown, and now it's just time to eat. Ain't nothing else to do. Now, of course, you want to let it cool down. Don't burn your mouth. But that is how you make your grilled cheese. Don't forget the mayo next time you make it. Thanks so much for watching my video. I hope you guys have a great night or day wherever you are.